Albert. My name is Joe, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return, start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, so you can continue to build and grow this awesome business you have. Okay, so first things first, Google loves content. It's super important to Google that you have a lot of words on your website, and then on your homepage, they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Okay, now obviously, people are going to read 2,000 words, but Google will, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has a couple hundred words on their homepage. Make sense? So when we scroll, Google is reading each of your words and they're counting them. Okay, they're only coming up with a little over 200 words. So I definitely recommend boosting that word count up to that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal Google likes to see. Okay, you can also add in keywords. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area. Okay, so those are going to be really helpful. If once you start ranking for those keywords, a lot of your potential customers are going to be able to find you a lot more easier on Google. Okay, so definitely recommend doing that as well. Another thing Google loves is big built-out websites. Okay, and that means the more pages you have, the better. Okay, so from the look of it, you added 6 pages. Okay, so that's a good start. But four of these are just picture pages. Okay, so definitely want to highlight our services. Okay, and make our websites a lot bigger. Okay, and that means each of your services needs to have their own page. Okay, and then on those service pages, Google's still looking for content. They're looking for about 500 to 700 words. Okay, so I definitely recommend doing that as well. Okay, and then maybe all of your pictures, put it on one page. Okay, and then all of your services have their own pages as well. Okay, that'll definitely help make your website a lot bigger. If you come over here to your competitor, okay, this is your competitor in your area. So right away you can see that they have a lot more pages. Okay, so they have a lot of pages. So to beat them in this area, all you gotta do is come in here, count how many pages they have, right? And go add those pages to your website. Right? Pretty simple. Okay. And then on their service pages, they're only doing a couple hundred. Okay, so to beat them in that area, go ahead and do that 500 to 700 word goal, and you could easily outrank them on their back pages as well. Okay. And then on their home page as well. Right? Very few words, only a couple hundred words. So again, go build your homepage, throw 1,500 words on there with keywords, easily on your way to outranking this guy's website within a couple months. Right? So pretty awesome. Moving on to the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is. Everybody knows, once you get here, right, you're going to start receiving a lot of calls. Okay? A lot of potential customers. But how do you get to the top 3, right? There's only 3 spots. And how you get here is with a lot of high star reviews, okay, good pictures, good business description, but more importantly, citations. Okay, and citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites like Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, bbb.org. Okay, just to name a few, there's hundreds of citation websites out there. Okay, and we use a tool called WhiteSpark. Okay, we type in this guy's information. It shows us exactly how many citations he has, and it tells us, we need to go get 50 because he has 40. Okay, so definitely recommend going out there and getting as many citations as you can, building your Google My Business profile so it's ready to rank #1, ready to start receiving those calls. Okay, so then when we move past the map pack, right, we get to the organic rankings. Okay, and this is where the keywords come in. So once you start ranking for this keyword right here, along with many others, you're going to be showing up in the top of the organic rankings. Okay, so making it super easy for your potential customers to find your website and call you as well. Okay, so definitely recommend throwing as many keywords as you can on your website, right? Okay, and then moving on to the last thing we're going to talk about is going to be backlinks. Okay, so backlinks super important. This is what passes power to your website and ultimately is what helps you rank to the top of Google. Okay, and if you have good quality backlinks, it's going to help you rank there within a few months. Okay, so good quality backlinks is very important to remember. And as you can see, this is your competition. He only has 11 websites pointing back to him through a clickable link. Okay, and that's a backlink. Only 11. So very little. Okay, so if you go out there and get 11 good quality websites to point back to you, build your website how Google recommends it, you could easily, outrank this guy before winter. Right, so that's awesome. That's awesome news, right? You also see how many keywords he's ranking for, 127 keywords. Okay, so which is a good start. Okay, we're trying to rank for as many keywords as we can, so it makes it easier for our customers to find us, right? So because of his website, right, because of his keywords, because of his authoritative backlinks that he has, he's bringing in almost 160 leads per month. Okay, so that's awesome. Awesome news. Shows you that your website has potential. You can also see it would be super easy to outrank this guy and start taking his leads to your website before winter, right? So definitely something to think about, definitely something to take advantage of, right? So hope you liked the video, hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any more questions, want any help on implementing what I shared in this video. You can call or text me at 515-468-439. I'll call you later to get some feedback. But once again, thanks for watching and have a great day.